Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian K custom dark ride 20-inch, and we got some crack damage on the inside of the cymbal right here. So we're gonna repair that. Put a little elbow hole right there. So before we do is get a little sound test. Alright, let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian K Custom Dark Ride 20-inch. And as you can tell, we fixed that crack area in the cymbal. Now has an ozone hole and is as smooth as butter. So, let's give it a little sound test. Oh, sounds good to me.